Okay, so hello students, welcome back to mathematics class. In the last video, we are discussing actually question number 4 in the third main. Okay, so that is given A3 is equal to 15, third term is 15, S10 is equal to 125, find A and A10. So directly we took S10 is equal to 125. We used Sn is equal to n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d formula. Okay. So here after substituting the values, we got the relation S10 is equal to 10 by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d, that is 10 minus 1 into d, 9d we got. So now we used one trick there. What is that trick actually? See, S10 we substituted as 125, 10 by 2 in the sense 5. Then here 2a. 2a we took in the form of a plus a. A plus a is 2a, no? Then 9d. So 9d, for that we did one plan. What is that? 2 plus 2 plus 5. So 2 plus 2 plus 5 is 9 only, no? Why we did that? Here A3 is equal to 15 is given. A3 is nothing but A plus 2D alva. So that's why here 2D plus 2D plus 5D. Next adana arrange ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡ್ವಿ. ಹೇಗೆ arrange ಮಾಡಿದ್ವಿ? A plus 2D ಒಟ್ಟಿಗೆ ಬರ್ಕೊಂಡ್ವಿ. Again A plus 2D one group. Then 5D is separate. Now 125 is equal to 5 into A plus 2D. Here it is given. A3 is given. A3 is nothing but A plus 2D only in a general form. So A plus 2D, so 15. Again one more A plus 2D is there, 15. Then 5D as it is. Then 125 is equal to 5 into 15 plus 15 is 30. That is plus 5D. What happened to sharing part? 1 second. Okay. Yes. Now again, so 125, transfer this 150 to this side, minus 150, which is equal to here 5 into 5d is 25d, bracket removing step. Next 125 minus 150, that is minus 25, which is equal to 25d. So that is d is equal to minus 25 divided by 25, that is equal to 1 minus 1. Share barta ilva? 1 second. Stop sharing. Okay, so now okay, thank you for your reply. Now we'll continue this one only. See here, got the idea of this problem now? 125 is equal to 5 into a plus a plus 2d plus 2d plus 5d. Then grouping a plus 2d one side, a plus 2d one side, 5d separate. Then 5 which is into a plus 2d. A plus 2d is 15. How a plus 2d is 15? Who told that? A13 is equal to 15 is given. So what is the relationship between A13 and A plus 2d? Yes, A13, the general form is A plus 2d. So A plus 2d 15, again A plus 2d is 15 plus 5d. Then 125 is equal to 5 into 15 plus 50 is 15 plus 15 is 30, then plus 5d. So then remove the bracket with the multiplication operation, that is 5 into 30, that is 150. Then 5 into 5 is 25d. So then 125 minus 150 is equal to 25d. So then d is equal to minus 1. Now d we got minus 1. What we have to find out again? A10 we have to find out. A10. A10 we have to find out, in the sense we have to calculate A first. Right, no? So D we got. A10 ಕಂಡುಹಿಡಿಬೇಕಂದ್ರೆ A plus 9D will use. A plus 9D. Just 9 is there. But A is not there. So for that what we have to do? So now we have to use the given data A3. A3 is equal to 15 is given, no? A3 is equal to 15. Then A3 we have to take A plus 2D. A plus 2D is equal to 15. Then A plus 2 into D value minus 1 is equal to 15. Then A is equal to 15 plus 2, that is 17. Using this given data, we got A value. Andre first term we got. Now, so our target is to find out A10. A10 is equal to A plus 90. Then A value is 17. Then D value is minus 1. Substitute and simplify. So the answer is 8. How many of you got the same answer? Just raise your hands. How many of you got the same answer? Raise your hand. Yes. Everybody? Everybody? Yes. Yes. Okay. Yes. Okay. Next. So we'll move on to the next page now. Fifth question now. So fifth question in the third main. I think this is in the, yes, here. Now, what is given? Given D is given. Difference is given. Yes, 9 is equal to 75. Find A and A9. Same to same type of question, but here A and A9 we have to find. In the last problem, D and A10, right? No? So, small difference. Now again, yes, 9 is given. Yes, 9. So, same to same formula. Yes, n is equal to n by 2 into A plus n minus 2A plus n minus 1 into D. So after the simplification, substitution, yes, 9 is equal to 9 by 2 into 2A plus 8D. Got the idea of this one now? Now, so yes, 9 is 75 is equal to 9 by 2 into 2A plus 8 into D is already given. So 8 into 5. Now, so transfer this 2 to this side, that is 75 into 2 is equal to, now multiplication, 9 into 2A is 18A plus 9 into here, after the simplification, here we got, okay, 360. Next, here you have to multiply 8 5s are 40, 40 into 9, so that is 360. Now transfer the like terms one side, transfer this 360 to this side. 150 minus 360 is equal to 18A. Then 150 minus 360, which is equal to minus 210, that is equal to 18A. So A is equal to minus 210 divided by 8, that is minus 35 by 3. Did everybody got the same answer? A is equal to minus 35 by 3. A is equal to minus 35 by 3, students. Yes? Yes, okay. Now, after getting A, we have to calculate A9. Very direct. A9. For A9, everything is ready. A plus 8D. A is minus 35 by 3 plus 8 into, difference is given in the problem only 5. Then minus 35 by 3 plus 8 5s are 40. So then by applying the LCM method, we got the simplified answer as 85 by 3. How many of you got this answer 85 by 3? Raise your hand first. How many of you got 85 by 3? Raise your hands. Yes. Yes, same answer. Very good. Okay. So now we are moving to sixth question. Okay. Sixth question now. Given A is equal to 2 and D is equal to 8. A is given, D is given. Then Sn is given. Sn is equal to 90. Sn is equal to 90. Find n and an. Find n and an. See here, Sn is given. So we all know Sn formula. Sn is equal to n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. Sn is 90. Substitute Sn as 90. Then n by 2 into 2 into 2. A value is 2 plus n minus 1 into d is 8. Now transfer this 2 to this side. So that is 90 into 2, which is equal to n into 2 2s are 4 here. Then after removing the bracket, we got 8 and minus 8. So now, what next actually? Here we have the next continuation part. So this side, LHS side actually 180 is equal to n into minus 4 plus a10. So minus 4 plus a10. Then 180 is equal to, here bracket removing step we have to apply. N into minus 4 minus 4n. N into a10, a10 square. So then what we have to do here? We have to take all the terms one side so that another side will be 0. We transfer this 180 to this side. Then this side is 0. 8n square minus 4n minus 180. So then 0 is equal to what we got actually here after the simplification. You all know how to simplify this one. Okay, I'm splitting the middle term factorization. Then 2n plus 9 into n minus 5 we got. Then after the simplification, 2n plus 9 equal to 0 madre, 2n is equal to minus 9 agatte, n is equal to minus 9 by 2. Then n minus 5 when we equate to 0, so then we'll get n is equal to plus 5. Now n value is minus 9 by 2 or 5. N value is minus 9 by 2 or 5. So we got two values, no? Now which value we have to take here? So an we have to find out. An is equal to a plus n minus 1 into d. Yes, we have to take 5 here. N is equal to 5 we have to take. Number of terms. So minus 9 by 2. Minus 9 by 2. Minus 9 by 2. Huh? Here, yes, an we have to find out now. A plus n minus 1 into d. So a value is 2 is given in the problem only. Then n minus 1 here we have to take. Yes, should be positive integer. Positive integer ಆಗಿರಬೇಕು n. ನಾವು ಇದನ್ನ beginning class ಅಲ್ಲಿ discuss ಮಾಡಿದ್ವಿ. n must be positive integer. That's why we took n is equal to 5. Then 5 minus 1 is 4 into difference is 8. Then 2 plus 32, that is 34. Did everybody got the same answer? Raise your hands once fast. Yes, same answer. Okay, students. Well, we'll continue with the next problem. Okay, Vaishnavi. Next question. Seventh problem. A is equal to 8. An is equal to 62. Then Sn is equal to 210. Find D and N. Difference and number of terms we have to find out. A is equal to 8. An is 62. A andre first term. An is last term. When first term and last term is given, Sn formula is n by 2 into a plus an. So using this formula, we have to find out D and n, number of terms. So first we used Sn is equal to 210. That is Sn is equal to n by 2 into a plus an formula we used. Sn value is 210. No? Then n by 2 only. A is 8, an is 62. Then transfer this 2 to this side, then 210 into 2. So then n into 62 plus 8 is 70. Then 70 n this side, 420 this side. Then n is equal to 420 divided by 7. N we got 6. N we got 6. Now we have to calculate D. To find D, easy relationship is an is equal to a plus n minus 1 into d. N ಸಿಕ್ತು, a ಸಿಕ್ತು, an ಸಿಕ್ತು. D ಕಂಡುಹಿಡಿಯೋದು easy ಅಲ್ವಾ? So then we used an is equal to a plus n minus 1 into d. An value is 62, a is 8, then n is 6 minus 1, that is 5d. Then 62 is equal to 8 plus 5d. Then transfer this 8 to this side. Then 62 minus 8 is equal to 5d. 62 minus 8 is equal to 5d. Then what next actually? So where is our next page? We'll search our next page. This one only, no? This is our next continuation part. So in the LHS part 54, here it RHS part 5d. So therefore D is equal to 54 divided by 5. What we got as difference? 54 by 5 is the difference. Did everybody got the same answer? Raise your hand or chat. Same answer? Yes, same answer. Okay. So then next we'll move on to 8th question. 8th question. Given an is equal to 4, d is equal to 2, Sn is equal to minus 14. Find n and a. Okay. An is given, Sn is given, d is given. Using this n and d we have to calculate. First we took actually Sn is equal to n and a we have to calculate. Okay, n and a because d is given. Okay, an is given, Sn is given. Sn is equal to n by 2 into a plus an. If we use that one, So can we do something? Yes, we have to use Sn is equal to n by 2 into a plus an. Now, Sn is given minus 14, then n by 2 into a is a only, a is unknown actually, then an is 4. Now, transfer this 2 to this side, then minus 14 into 2, which is equal to n into a, na, plus n into 4 is 4n. Then minus 14 into 2 is minus 28 is equal to na plus 4n. We got this type of situation. So further we cannot simplify. Better you just take this as equation number 1. Now we'll take an relationship. An is equal to a plus n minus 1 into d. An is 4. A plus n minus 1 into d is 2. Then 4 is equal to a plus 2n minus 2. 6 is equal to, here how we got 6 actually, just take this minus 2 to this side, then it becomes plus 2. 4 plus 2, 6. 6 is equal to a plus 2n. Now, a is equal to 6 minus 2n. A what we got actually, a andre 6 minus 2n bantu. But it is exactly no value barlilla. Call this equation as equation number 2. Now, what you can do actually, ಈ equation 2 ಅನ್ನ equation 1 ನಲ್ಲಿ substitute ಮಾಡಬಹುದಲ್ವಾ? a is equal to 6 minus 2n we got. Now, ಇಲ್ಲಿ equation 1 ನಲ್ಲಿ a ಇದ್ದಲ್ಲಿ 6 minus 2n ಹಾಕಿದ್ರೆ ನಮ್ಗೆ ಏನು ಸಿಕ್ಕೋಗುತ್ತೆ actually? So, what will get actually? n ಸಿಕ್ಬಿಡತ್ತಲ್ವಾ? n we have to find out ಅಲ್ವಾ ನಾವು n ಕಂಡುಹಿಡಿಬೇಕಲ್ವಾ? Yes, now substituting equation 2. Equation 2 ಅನ್ನ equation 1 ನಲ್ಲಿ substitute ಮಾಡೋದು. Equation 1 ಏನಿದೆ? Minus 28 is equal to na plus 4n. That is, na plus 4n is equal to minus 28. Now, n into a place ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಏನು ಮಾಡಿದೆ? 6 minus 2n substitute. Plus 4n is equal to minus 28. Now, n into 6 is 6n minus n into 2n is 2n square plus 4n is equal to minus 28. Now, arrangement minus 2n square first. 6n plus 4n is 10n. 10n minus 28 transferred to this side plus 28 is equal to 0. This side is 0. Now, 2, 10, 28. In that 2 is a common factor. So then each term is divided by, complete equation is divided by 2. Avaga, illi n square 5n plus 14 is equal to 0 by anything is 0 only. Now, applying the splitting the middle term method, this is all you all know, no? N plus 2 into minus n plus 7 we got. N plus 2 into minus n plus 7. Minus n plus 7. What next actually? Here we have equal to 0. So that is n is equal to 7 plus 7. Then n is equal to minus 2 we got. So which number we have to take here? Positive integer we have to take. So that's why n is equal to 7. So n is equal to 7 we got. Now we have to find out a. Using that a, n is equal to 7. an is equal to a plus n minus 1 into d. Then an is 4, it is given. A we have to find out. Then n is 7 minus 1, 6d. So then after the substitution and simplification, a is equal to minus 8. We got a is equal to minus 8. Did everybody got the same answer? Did everybody got the same answer? I'm waiting for your response. Yes. Some students are waiting in the lobby. 1 second. Okay. Next. Last 2 problems we have to discuss. That is question number 9. Given a is equal to 3. N is equal to 8. S is equal to 192. So that is S is equal to 192. That means Sn. Find D. Find D. Okay. A is equal to 3. N is given 8. Okay. 1 second. Waiting in the lobby. Why? Participants. Satvik and then. Okay. See, A is given, N is given, Sn is given. Using this, we have to find out D. So, Sn is equal to n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. Sn is 192. n is 8 by 2, 2 into a is given, then 8 minus 1 is, that is 70. 192, so here 2 ones are, 2 fours are here, 2 threes are 6 plus 70. So then 192 is equal to here bracket operation, 6 fours are 24, then 4 into 70 is 28d. Transfer this 24 to this side, then 192 minus 24, which is equal to 28d. So then here 168 is equal to 28d. Therefore, d is equal to 168 divided by 28 is equal to 6. Very small problem, this one. Just d we have to find out. So everybody's answer same. You got d is equal to 6 only. Yes. Yes. Okay. So then we have to move to our last problem, that is question number 10. Given L is equal to 28. So don't confuse. L is nothing but AN. L is nothing but AN. Sn is equal to 144. S is nothing but Sn. Sn is equal to 144. N is equal to 9. N is equal to 9. Find A. An is given. Sn is given. Find A. Which relationship suits for this condition? Sn is equal to n by 2 into A plus An. Sn is 144. N is 9 by 2. N andre 9. Then divided by 2. A is unknown. An is 28. Now transfer this 144 to this side. That is 144 into 2 is equal to, now 9 into A, 9A, plus 9 into 28 is 252. So then 144 into 2 is 288, which is equal to 9A plus 252. Then 288 minus 252 is equal to 9A. Then 36 is equal to 9A. A is equal to 36 by 9, 4. How many of you got A is equal to 4? Did you got the same answer? Say yes or no. Yes. Okay. So this is the end of the third main. Third main, we discussed total 10 small problems. Okay. So remaining question number 4, 5, 6 and all. So we'll discuss in the next class. Okay. So we'll discuss that question number 4, 5, 6 up to 20. Question number 20, that will be in the school. Okay. Yes. Do you have any other doubts regarding this topic?